Customizing Tumblr blog? How do you do it? Hello everyone, welcome to How Logical. This video is going to be about how you can customize your Tumblr blog. It takes a little bit of attention to follow through, so hope you're ready. First, navigating to the place where we can start customizing. From Tumblr dashboard, to the left sidebar there is account, to the blog of ours selected, and to the right of it there is blog settings, and on the top there is edit appearance. Now scrolling down we see custom theme. If it is off, you can switch it on like this and click on edit theme. For most of us, it does suffice to play around with these tools that are given here. It is very simple to change them. Like for example, if we want to change the title, we can do so by changing in here itself. Once you click save, it will be saved. Now, if you want granular control over this blog, you need to go to edit HTML. Now, this is not for everyone. It takes some technical knowledge to understand and customize it by changing the HTML. For example, if you want to change this ask me anything to ask me, we should right click on it and inspect it and find something specific about this tag. Maybe I will say /ask and come in the source code section and Control F to find out that. Enter the word that we want to find, /ask, click enter. Now there it is. It blinked a little, and here if we say in between the anchor tags, we just say ask me and click on this update preview. We can see it being reflected in our page. It is still loading, so it won't. Okay, here we are. Likes ask me. It was ask me anything before, now it is ask me. Here Tumblr is using a lot of variables and blocks. If you want to find out more, you can go to this link, tumblr.com/docs/en/custom_themes. I will leave the link in the description. You can go through it and play around with this. For example, in our case, we had ask level before. Let's find out ask where it is. Here it is. It says the customizable level for the ask link, and here it is ask level variable that was used. Alright guys, that's how you customize Tumblr, either by just going through the handy tools given or by going to edit HTML. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, bye bye.